Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to start an AI as software as service. So, what we're gonna do is first of all, go ahead and open any kind of browser that you have on your PC, and from here, guys, I hope you go and type OpenAI. Now, go ahead and click on try, and this web page will be opened for you. Now they will ask you to create an account or log in if you have already an account. So for me, I have already an account and I have already connected to this website. So now basically, if you don't have an account, you can just connect from using your Gmail, Facebook, or Twitter account, or you can just create one basically normal like email, password, and phone number. Now let's start with this tutorial. We're going to here and tap hi. So always start with hi to check if the bot is or the AI is actually working. Now it is working, so it answers us. Now what I'm going to do, um, can you help me set up my AI? So now I'd be happy to help you set up. Okay, there is some problem, so I'm going to stop it, copy this, and confirm clear conversation, and I will write it again. So sure, I can help you set up your AI SaaS. Can you provide more details about what you need help with? For example, what is the purpose of your SaaS? Do you have any specific technologies or tools that you would like to use? Just for example, let's say for in general, just in general. So here are some general steps to help you set up an AI SaaS. Define the problem and target market. Identify the specific problem. So as you can see, guys, here the bot will or the AI, which is ChatGPT, will start giving you some informations to start doing the AI SaaS service. So now you can get a lot of affirmations, and I don't know what kind of affirmation you can provide more. So for example, here I don't have any idea in my mind because I don't have an AI in my head. But for you guys as AI users, you can just go here and provide it with information that you have, and it will give you the best quality informations that can help you improve your AI SaaS services. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.